Friends, we start with day 27, the magic mirror. The appearance of things changes according to the emotions, and thus we see magic and beauty in them, while the magic and beauty are already in ourselves. Khalil Gibran, 1893 to 1931, poet and artist. You spend the rest of your life running around trying to beat the outside world into the shape you want, chasing one problem for after another, trying to fix them, complaining about situations or other people, and never succeed in living your life to the fullest and realizing all of your dreams. But when you make the magic of gratitude your way of life, everything in the world around you magically changes, just like that. Your world magically changes because you change, so what you're attracting change too. In inspirational words of Gandhi and in the lyrics of Michael Jackson's song Man in the Mirror, which impacted hundreds and millions, one of the most powerful message of all time was revealed. Change the person in mirror and your world will change. If you have followed the 26 magical practices to the point, you have changed. And even though it's sometimes hard to see changes in yourself, you have felt the change in your happiness and you will have seen the change of improved circumstances in your life, magical changes in the world around you. You have practiced the magical power of gratitude for your family and friends, for your work, money and health, for your dreams, and even for the people you come across each day. But the person who deserves gratitude more than anyone else is you. When you're grateful to the person in the mirror, feeling of dissatisfaction, discontentment, disappointment, or I'm not good enough completely disappear. And with them, even every dissatisfying, discontenting, and disappointing circumstances in your life magically appears too. Negative feelings about yourself cause the greatest damage to your life because they're more powerful than any feelings you have about anything or anyone else. Wherever you go, whatever you do you take those negative feelings with you in every moment, and those feelings taint everything you touch. They act as magnet, attracting more dissatisfaction, discontent, and disappointment with everything you do. When you're grateful to be you, you only attract circumstances that make you feel even better about yourself. You have to be rich with good feelings and about yourself to be rich, to bring the riches of life to you. Gratitude for yourself enriches you. Whoever has gratitude for themselves will be more given more, and he or she will have abundance. Who does not have gratitude for themselves, even what he has or she will be taken away from her. To do the magic mirror practice, go to mirror right now, look directly at the person in the mirror, and out loud say the magic words, thank you, with all your heart. Mean it more than you ever been before. Say thank you for being you. Say thank you for everything that you are. Say thank you for at least the same amount of feeling you've used for everything and everyone else. Be grateful for just as you are. Continue with this magic mirror practice by being grateful to that beautiful person in the mirror for the rest of the day today, and say the magic words thank you every time you look at yourself in the mirror. If you are not in a position to say the magic words out loud any particular time, then you can say them in your mind. And if you are really brave, you can look into magic mirror and say 3 things about yourselves what you're grateful for. If you have any reason in future you are not being kind to yourself, you will know the one person who deserves your gratitude more than anyone else is the person in the mirror. When you are grateful, you don't blame yourself. When you make a mistake, when you are grateful, you don't criticize yourself. When you are not perfect, when you are grateful for being you, you are happy and you will become a magnet to happy people, happy situations, and magical circumstances will surround you wherever you go and whatever you do. When you can see the magic in that person in the mirror, your whole world will change. Magic practice 27, magic mirror. Count your blessings. Make a list of blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list, and end of each blessing say thank you, thank you, thank you. Feel as grateful as for that blessings as you can. Each time you look at yourself in a mirror today, say thank you and mean it more than you ever have before. If you are really brave, while looking into the mirror, say 3 things you are grateful for about yourself. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand, say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Thank you so much.